link in cybersecurity. The reason is human error can lead to the major breaches. To mitigate the risk and threats in this domain,
Hello everyone, we are from Group 2 and today we are going to present an important topic in information system security, which is the 7 domains of a typical IT infrastructure. Each domain plays a unique role in securing IT systems within an organization. Let's take a closer look, one by one. Before we dive into the domains, let us understand what they actually represent. In the context of cybersecurity and IT infrastructure, a domain refers to a specific area or layer of responsibility. Each domain focuses on different components, from users and devices to networks and servers. By identifying and securing each of these domains, organizations can build a strong layered defense against threats. Now, let's explore each of the 7 domains in more detail.
the first domain is the user domain. This refers to the people who use IT infrastructure organization from inside network or outside network. The example is like employees, clients, or vendors. It's often considered as the weakest link in cybersecurity. The reason is human error can lead to the major breaches. To mitigate the risk and threats in this domain, the organization must implement essential of this domain, like security policies, two-factor authentication, strong passwords, giving user training, and awareness program about these threats and risk of this domain.
Next, we have the workstation domain. This domain includes an user device like laptop and desktop. It's the point where users interact with the system, so it must be protected from viruses and unauthorized software. Installing antivirus software and regulating active systems are examples of good practices here.
The LAN domain stands for Local Area Network. This includes the internal network such as switches, cables, and routers used inside an organization. To secure these domains, we use firewalls, VLANs, and proper segmentation to make sure that only authorized users can access internal resources.
LAN-to-WAN domain. The LAN-to-WAN domain is the point where the internal network connects to the internet, the perimeter. This domain must be strictly monitored using firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and proxies. It's where we stop threats from entering or leaving the network.
The Wide Area Network domain, or WAN for short, includes the external public networks, mainly the internet, that connect multiple locations. Since WANs are out of direct control, we must secure the data in transit using VPNs and encryption, especially for remote work or cloud access.
Next, the remote access domain is domain which allows user to connect to the internal IT organization network from outside, such as when working from home. The remote access introduces risk to the IT of organization. That's why it must be protected with secure VPNs, multi-factor authentication, and session monitoring to avoid unauthorized access. VPN will create an encrypted connection tunnel to over public network, such as at the internet.
Last is the system or application domain. This covers all server, application, and database that store critical information. Security measures here include patch management, role-based access, and regular backups. For example, only SR personnel should access payroll system.
To summarize, the 7 domains work together to secure IT infrastructure from different angles.
Each domain needs specific policies, tools, and controls to stay protected.
To support the accuracy of our presentation, we have used references from trusted sources such as NIST, Cisco, CompTIA, and the book Principles of Information Security by Whitman and Mather. These materials help us better understand the 7 domains and their importance in IT infrastructure security. Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope this video helped you understand the 7 domains of IT infrastructure and their roles in cybersecurity. Stay informed, stay secure, and continue learning.